Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perkiperkins. So today I'm really excited because after a long absence, I just got the September's Glossybox subscription box. I'm really excited to open up the September's box because I saw some spoilers and it looks like it's going to be like a spa day or something like that. So if you're interested in seeing what I received in the September's Glossy box, make sure you keep on watching. But before I go any further, you guys know the drill. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you select all in your notifications. This way YouTube notifies you the moment I do any uploads. And lastly, if you guys do end up liking my video or liking me, I would greatly appreciate if you guys would give me a big ol' thumbs up. So let's begin just a little bit talking about the September Glossy box. So just so you guys are aware, the September Glossy box was gifted to me actually by the company. They did reach out to me a couple weeks ago and asked if I would like to review their new box, and of course I said yes, because I'm curious to see how it's changed in the last several months since I've received my last Glossy box. And I've actually seen a lot of improvement, so I'm really excited of what might be contained in this box. Now, just a little information, Glossybox is a $21 a month subscription. It is primarily in the UK, but of course now they have it in the United States, and it goes for $21 a month. They were generous and gave me a 22% off coupon code for you guys, so I will leave the link down below, and this will give you 22% off your first month's box. Glossybox is stated to send, I think it was up to $80 worth of value, and again, I think that's actually pretty cool when you think about it, because this is like a mixture of products from the UK and the US, so it's sort of similar to the LookFantasic box that I opened. So I will link that video up above and down in the description. Let's get to it, you guys, and let's begin this unboxing. So this is their classic peak packaging, and I really like their presentation. It's very, ooh, look at how nice, you guys. It looks like a cute little present. This is definitely a much nicer presentation, but this one actually has its magazine, and it says it's September spa time, which definitely it is for this lady. And this is the beautiful wrapping, and it's nicely tied with, of course, its logo. Just a little teaser, but anyways, so let me put it down so I could be looking at the card at the same time, and I already see something I like. Everything's right here. First thing I saw was this guy right here. This is from Daily Concepts. This is the Daily Beauty headband, and this retails for $12, so that's not bad. And this is just really easy makeup, you know, headband, or when you do your skincare. And I always typically put one of those, so I'm glad to have a backup. So the next item I received was from Codex, I believe it's pronounced. This says Codex Beauty Bia Exfoliating Wash. The face wash lightly exfoliates and tones skin, making it gentle enough for daily use. Jojoba grains provides a non-irritating exfoliating, while castor oil helps clear pores and impurities. That's actually really good. And this says the deluxe size sample would be roughly an $18 value, so that's good. And it's 1.2 fluid ounces, so you'll definitely get a couple good uses out of it. The next guy comes in this cute little tub, Vanilla Co. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is Miss Flower and Mr. Honey Cream. The ultimate power couple in a jar. This blend of royal jellies and yellow flower is soothing and nourishing. It provides moisture while also recharging and rejuvenating distressed skin. This would retail for $6 for this deluxe sample size. And let me open her up. Ooh, this smells nice too. I'm not sure if you guys can see that texture. So I definitely like the way this feels. And it smells nice. So my next item is from Vitamask. It's a ruby sheet mask which has yogi berries, vitamin C, and antioxidants to help dull skin, and this retails for $7, you guys. So that's really good, and it feels really kind of jelly, well, at least from the packaging, so that means it's going to be very hydrating. This is from Rosen Skincare. It's called Breakout Spot Treatment with peppermint oil acting as an antimicrobial for large and active bumps. This spot treatment is perfect solution for those annoying and sometimes painful breakouts. I need that because I just had one right here last night pop up, and it's painful as of this morning, so I will definitely be using this today. And oh, I forgot to mention, this is considered full size and it retails for $12, and of course the mask was considered full size as well. This is also considered full size. Let me pull it out. Oh, that's cute. I got another J roller. This is actually heftier, I gotta say, you guys, than even the other one that I received. But this is from Mesouline Paris. So it must be like a French name, so that's why I can't pronounce it. It says Magic Jade Roller. This jade roller is a skincare lover's quick fix as well as a long-term investment for improving elasticity, radiance, and reducing fine lines and combating puffiness. This retails for $21. So again, this definitely has a little bit more heft than the previous one I received, but then again, this was $21. The other one was like $10. And I like how small and compact this is. Actually, this is really good if you travel often, and this right here is small enough for your face and maybe just to get a little bit of your lower lash line. So I'm definitely excited about that. As I mentioned in the beginning, the box is stated to have a minimum of $80 in value, which this box will definitely have that. And I think for $21, you're getting a nice variety of products from overseas, and definitely brands that I've wanted to try, like this guy right here. And something I highly needed, along with the breakout stick. So I'm really excited for those items. At least for me, I think that was actually a pretty good deal. But then again, at the end of the day, it's all up to you guys. Do you guys think this box and what I received was worth the $21? Again, that includes shipping, and it included 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It included 6 items, which 4 of them, technically speaking, were full sizes, including the mask, of course. So let me know what you guys think about the box, and also what was your guys' favorite item. And before I head out, you guys, I do want to remind you, because I never say this in my videos, but I see most people saying it. Make sure you guys look in my description, as I do have, of course, my other social media platforms. I have my Instagram, my blog, which are most active. I also have a Facebook that I'm trying to get active and start doing lives there as well, and a Twitter. I'm the least active, but my blog, I'm starting to post weekly, and on Instagram I do have giveaways once, if not twice a month. So if you are not currently following me on those platforms, make sure you do. This way you guys don't miss any extra giveaways or any other information, because I do get to post there with more frequency. But yeah, so make sure, again, you guys follow me in all my social medias, and also make sure to check out the Glossybox and their discount code, because again, I think right now that's a pretty good deal. That makes it like a $3 off discount, so it would make your first box $18 actually. But I hope you guys again enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and give me a big old thumbs up. And lastly, make sure you guys take care, be safe, and I will catch you on the next one. Goodbye.